What's up, YouTube? Well, we're coming back with another video. My oldest son left us hanging today, so we about to steal his four-wheeler. We about to steal it. Come on, let's go get it. Go get the bike. So we about to steal it. We about to steal it. That's his four-wheeler. Little project I picked up yesterday. Actually, it was free. My son's other four-wheeler. Bought it before that one. This one a little too big. But this is what we're about to steal right here. The Predator SWAT Chinese ATV. Yep, we're about to steal this because Cameron left us hanging today. That big boy torque converter on there. It's actually gonna get a makeover on the channel soon. New paint, new lights. Might redo the seat. Might look better after we clean it up. But I'll get back with y'all in a minute. We're about to pull out, crank up, warm up, and we're about to cruise. Yep, that's right, y'all see it. Predator SWAT Chinese ATV. Ain't the best looking, but it serves its purpose to have fun with. So the little brother is about to steal the big brother's toy. He left you, didn't he? He left you? Look at that face. You look like you ready to steal it. You look like you ready to steal it. Let's go. We're gonna crank it up. Got it cranked. We might have to go get some gas. I think we were a little low in gas. So we're gonna push it back in. Go get some gas. Come back. Go pull up on K-Dog now. See if that little mini bike wants to smoke today. He say I got a big motor and all that. Governor still in it. Only thing that's been done is the torque converter. And I had to upgrade sprockets. The first sprocket was too small. I had the clutch on it. It was smoking. Couldn't even go around the yard. But we'll be back with y'all in a minute. We're gonna go get this gas. And we're doing a takeover! Look at him. You still sad, ain't you? You gonna get beat up? You gonna beat you up? You gonna beat you up? You gonna beat you up? Well, as y'all can see, we done made it back. You had fun, buddy? You want to keep riding, don't you? You want to keep riding, don't you? It's getting cold, baby. My nose starting to run. I know yours will be. Well, it ain't much of a video for today, but we just had to go out for a little bit, play around. Have fun? Give it 5. Pow. Love you. That's right. All right, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Drop down in the comment section and let me know if y'all know anybody just took one of these Chinese four-wheelers and did a predator swap on them. And if you do, if it's some videos on YouTube or something like that, drop the link in my comments so I can check them out. We're gonna definitely do some more with this. I see we got a leak from the carburetor, so I might have to adjust the bowl. The screw on the bowl might just be loose. That's simple. But yep, that's our video for today. Check it out. Tell him say bye. I don't know why he acting like that. He be turned up when we get in the house. Guess somebody want to show y'all that he can ride by himself. Come on. Push the button. Turn. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push the button. Probably going dead. Come on. Come on. Come on. Turn a little bit. Go. All right, stop. 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 Hold on. All right, go. Turn. Go this way. Y'all learn how to turn. All right, go put it in there. We're gonna charge it up, okay? Do it, boy. Don't push that button. It's gonna take off on you. Go. Feel good out here today. We're riding. You strong, boy. Push it up beside your brother. All right, that's good. It's okay right there. All right, let's go in the house. Yeah. Say, you a big boy rider, ain't you? You're supposed to do the fist. Show your fist. Here, do your fist. Pow. Come on, let's go get warm. Now we're officially done. Going in the house. Oh, be careful.
It's the Bunny Boy beat.